Dear esteemed client and valued partners, we are delighted to inform you that as of Thursday, July 24th, 2025, we have officially commenced construction on units 3 to 5 of our prestigious Gardenia Villas Project. We are also pleased to share our first construction update with you. This marks another exciting milestone in our journey, and we are thrilled to open investment opportunities to discerning investors who wish to be part of this exclusive development. We warmly welcome all interested investors and real estate professionals to get in touch with us for further details and engagement. Thank you for your continuous trust and support.